Welcome, today I'm showing you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin into a Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into password and security option. Here go into privacy option, and now how you can see on the top we got SIM lock block. So if you got two cards, SIM cards, so tap need SIM cards and activate this option, lock SIM card. Tap on the switcher, and for locking SIM card need to enter your pin. Enter 1234 and click OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.